2014 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, power mirrors, emergency braking assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, door reinforcement, 4-wheel drive. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, heated rear seat, child safety locks, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, power steering wheel, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Every Honda is a product of innovative engineering and quality manufacturing. Your dealer performs an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection to ensure that each vehicle meets Honda standards. Only well-maintained Honda models are eligible. Honda certified used cars, so reliable they're certifiable.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.